This is a video presentation of the 2011 Haas ST20. Went ahead and brought the hours up on the screen. Whoops, I don't know if there you go. And we'll go ahead and do a power up restart and run it through its paces. Go ahead and start with the hand jog. Z-axis first. And we'll go ahead with the X. And we'll go ahead and go backwards a couple times. Okay, go ahead and we'll do the spindle here. Start off at 500 RPMs. Go. Go to 1500. And I'll just move it up and down from there. 17, 18, 2000, 2500. And then we'll come back down. Okay. And you got the tool setter. There is a chip conveyor on this. This does have the miscellaneous OD and ID tooling coming with. Coolant pan there, coolant pump. We do have the shipping bracket. We also have the foot pads coming with. Take a look at the inside here. Just to verify, this is an ST20, serial number 3090563, manufactured of 12 of 2011. It is a 195/260 voltage, 3-phase, 50-60 hertz. Overall, very clean machine. This concludes the videotape presentation of the 2011 Haas ST20.